This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get out of safe mode if you're stuck in it on your PS4. So I'm just holding down the power button right here, and this is how we get into safe mode in the first place. So we got to turn off our PlayStation 4 and then just hold down that button. So you're going to want a USB cable just like this. This is a micro USB cable, one of the older connection methods, and we'll need this to get out of safe mode, just to restart our PlayStation. But if we don't have this cable, we can just try turning off our PlayStation 4. So I'm going to launch into the safe mode menu right now. And I think that's where people get kind of stuck because they don't have this cable just laying around. And they try to connect and it doesn't work. So you can see I'm in it. Let's just hold down this button now. Just like this. I'm going to just turn off my PlayStation 4. And then I should be able to just turn it back on. So it's going to be completely turned off now. Now I'm just going to turn it back on. Just like that. You can try this out if you don't have that cable laying around. Otherwise, when you try to connect via wireless, it's not going to connect. It's not going to work. You need that cable connected, otherwise you won't be able to operate the safe mode menu. So you can see it's just working normally now. I can turn on the controller and log in. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.